In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Judge.me reviews on Shopify. To get started, you will need to be in your Shopify theme editor. The theme editor is where you control how your store pages look and where different elements appear. This is also the safest place to add a reviews widget, because you can place it visually and preview the result before customers see it. Once you are in the theme editor, go to the drop-down menu at the top of the editor. This drop-down lets you choose which type of page you are editing. Open it and select Products. This is important because the Judge.me review widget needs to be added to your product page layout, not your home page or collection pages. By switching to Products, you are now editing the template that your product pages use. Next, look to the left sidebar. Find the Product Information section. This area controls the content blocks that appear on your product page, like the title, price, description, and buy button. Under Product Information, click Add Section or Add Block. Which one you choose depends on how your theme is structured, but the goal is the same. You are adding a new element to the product page layout. After you click to add a section or block, you will see different options. Select the Apps tab. The Apps tab contains widgets provided by installed apps, including Judge.me. In that apps list, click Review Widget. This inserts the Judge.me Reviews widget into your product page layout. Now you will place it exactly where you want it to appear. Click and drag the Review widget within the left sidebar to reposition it. A common placement is below the product description or near the bottom of the product information area, where customers naturally look for details. Take a moment to preview how it looks in the main preview window and adjust the position until it feels clear and easy to find. Finally, click Save. Saving publishes the change to your live theme, so your Reviews widget will appear for customers on your product pages. And that is all there is to it.